So guys, nasi tiri pa Lion Park. Do patiri nasi Lion Park. Chakuratse pa Lion Park. Do patiri nasi. So this shop, guys, it was full of those jewelries, and some of them they were affordable, some of them they were not affordable. Just depend on the production of the thing. Like there was a jewelry which was cost like 15, 25, and some of the rings were costing like $5. Yeah, and some bags, some little posts, some cups, some jewelries, some portraits. Yeah, so that one, I don't know what do you call that one. It was going for like $15, that one. So yeah, that's it. Pinjo. So guys, Ganonzi Binjo Camel African Grey, born 2005. Hey.
Let me get it. Let me touch it. Okay, hold on. You're not gonna jump, right?
Nah. He's gonna bite you like a heart, man. You better be careful.
Okay, Tommy, nice to meet you. I'm still a bit afraid of you.
Don't be scared. It doesn't bite.
It doesn't bite?
Yeah, you can charge.
But who can trust a 200 years old?
Nah, 100% I didn't trust.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, let me touch. Let me touch.
Yeah, give it.
Oh my gosh.
Even there, don't understand.
Even here?
Yeah.
Okay, he's coming. Ooh.
So this guy loves to eat fruits. That's why he's active and have managed to go there.
So what does he eat?
So he eats a mixture of fruits, fusion, cucumbers, apples, bananas, carrots.
Let me get a full of his picture. Oh okay. Gosh.
So just have to mix all fruits. Half a bucket every day in the morning. That's what we start by doing here. Oh, and they feed them. Sometimes we eat sada.
That's a live total. That's a lie.
And it looks like he's still going.
Yeah, right? Still going.
Growing?
Yeah.
No, green numbers. Let's go. What is it?
Green numbers.
Daniel.
Okay, so these are not very common. Yeah, you gave.
Hold on. Let me get it. Okay. Let me get it.
That's a green snake.
So these are green numbers. These are not very common. You get these in eastern parts of Zimbabwe, like in Yanga, Mutare, Mani. And also it's a very shy snake. Okay.
Very shy.
Yeah, they always run away from people, and this is an arboreal snake. So they spend more time in trees, but if it bites you, they've got a venom called neurotoxic, so the venom it affects nervous system.
You can die for
15 to 30 minutes.
You're gonna die 15 to 30 minutes?
Yes.
So it eats lizards?
Huh?
It eats lizards, that one?
Yeah, normally rats. This one is just selling.
He's not gonna eat it, right?
No. And this is the striped scarf staker. This is a very common snake, but this one is mildly venomous. If it bites you, you just get swelling for 2-3 hours and then you'll be fine. You won't die from this.
Okay. Yeah. I think we have this one in Somalia.
That looks
really?
Yeah.
Okay. And here we have got a boom slang.
Hold on. I want this one.
Yeah, so boom slang is one of the most venomous snake.
Venomous snake.
Yeah, if this one bites you, it causes internal bleeding.
And you die instantly, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
And this one is a baby python.
Oh, baby python?
Yes.
Wow, I like pythons better. What is it?
We have got the brown house snake. It's under the rock. This is non-venomous snakes.
Okay.
Yes.
Where is it? Yeah, it's invisible. But you have a big pythons, right?
Yes.
Oh, yeah, it's coming. Okay.
Oh, come on, Adi, I hate the
Pythons are not venomous, but they are.
How big is this?
This one is 3 meters.
3 meters. Yeah. So it can definitely swallow whole cow.
No, not a cow,
No,
but a
no,
goat.
that's a cobra,
A
man.
goat, yeah.
Yes, a goat.
No, it's a python here.
No, that's a cobra.
It's no python, Allah python.
What is it called? Biting?
Python. It's a constrictor snake. Find mostly in. Is it Burmese?
This is a very common snake.
Yeah, but it's well. I think this one is African. The tree, right?
Yes.
Oh yeah, I see it now.
This one
you
bites
cannot
you,
tell
it causes internal bleeding.
easily.
There is no treatment from this snake.
So it bites you, you die.
You die,
Which one?
definitely die.
This one.
No treatment.
Let me see, where is he?
It looks like a tree.
The tree. It looks like
Where
the
is
tree. It's over there.
Oh, yeah. So that one you can die easily?
Yes,
No treatment.
no treatment from this.
So do you have the other one, cobra?
Guys, you know,
Yes,
don't get
we do
me
that.
tea
This
out.
is the
Don't be
papa
warning.
What is it?
Firefighters.
This one, I think, is that the one that goes under the sand?
No, that's the sidewinder. These ones they normally hide under the leaves.
Leaves, yeah.
Oh.
It has also venom.
Yes, 18 hours if it bites you.
18 hours you die.
Yes.
Oh my, it's a full of bullshit now.
Oh, cobra! I like cobra. Hold on. Hold on.
Oh my.
Nice to meet you, cobra.
Snouted cobras. These are very common snakes.
Okay, it's very dangerous.
Yeah, if it bites you,
And it does. It cannot spit, right?
it doesn't spit, it only bites.
It only bites.
I'll show you the Muslim
Cobra.
Arab, now you don't scared, right, anymore? Do you?
He's super scared, man. I hope they're not scared.
And here,
Nice to meet you.
Definitely they will have it.
and this one,
They don't have a horse. Huh?
They will have it. These ones are hedgehog, guys. These ones
I don't see.
are hedgehog.
Oh,
And they are white.
And you can die.
Oh, you have to do that organized and with the
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah,
Can you
you're
speak
right.
from there? No.
no. And this one,
Around
will
Polish
bite.
cobra.
Viper. Oh, this is dangerous.
5 to 10
Oh
minutes.
my gosh. This one you can die 5 to 10 minutes. What
1
is
to
it?
10 minutes.
Yes.
Yeah, this is the Gaboon viper.
Gaboon viper.
Yeah, this is the Gaboon viper. So this is the most venomous snake.
And it bites you, you can die 5 to 10
A
minutes.
combination of toxins, neurocyte and hemo. So when it bites you, all those venoms contribute to cardiac arrest. 5 to 10 minutes.
5 to 10 minutes.
Yeah, so this
I
is-
hate when people predict the time left.
Yeah, you know, 5 to 10 minutes you can go anywhere.
And you can hear that Arab.
It's very
And now
scary.
you are
Only 5 to 10
watching
minutes
it.
be life if you bite you, huh?
And these are the parents, these are the kids.
Also, these ones are the parents.
These are the kids. He's a kid.
These are more deadly because they can't control the venom. So 5 minutes.
This one. The kid is more dangerous.
And that one there.
Oh my gosh. So these are
Which is the
exotic,
kid?
exotic animals.
No,
This is the
we
kid,
have them.
and the kid is more dangerous
Yeah,
than
all
their
over.
parents.
So even if I
Go
go
on there, you go on there.
Crazy.
Sometimes you can find it.
It is like crazy.
Oh my God! You know now he scares me. Even if you go in town, you might find it.
No.
So this one here, that's the black mamba. So Gaboon.
Oh, I like black mamba. Where's black mamba?
There.
I don't see it.
The black mamba is hiding in. It's right there. It's right there. It's right there.
Okay, black mamba. ارجع صغير كويس هذه.
Ah, man.
Oh, that's sleeping lion.
Yeah.
How is he here?
Nothing.
Can I call or no? You cannot report, right?
Yeah, sometimes.
Born in 2012.
Yeah,
The male over there is
but
called-
13 years a lion is old.
Yeah, it's old.
The other one on the top of the rock is called Leo, and the female one on the grass is called Lola.
Both born in 2012.
Okay.
So they are 13 years old. Yeah, the male.
So, guys, they are
So the female is more active than the female.
they're sleeping.
Yeah, they are sleep. They sleep.
Yeah, they sleep.
So that's where they sleep or no?
Yeah,
Why do they
Nice.
sleep? Why do they sleep the half sun?
yes, sun basking. They are just having their head.
Is it white lion?
Yeah, these are white lions, mostly found in South Africa. Here in Zimbabwe, they are not common. South
So let's say
Africa,
I got
African
into the place. Would they attack?
Yeah, this one they will attack if you are just alone inside there without us guys who
And they will eat you?
No, we are just used to each other.
They'll just kill you.
No, us, they don't kill us, but you, if you go inside, they don't know you.
Do they know you?
Yeah, they know.
Can you go in?
Yeah, there were people inside doing some cleaning.
So all of them, do they sleep like 20 hours? Because
Yeah.
All
13 to 20 hours.
Alright.
Yeah.
I thought it's these ones because they
I
don't
know,
hunt.
all of them, all of the lion species.
Alright.
Yeah.
Okay. We're done here.
So this is how they call the wolves, guys.
The dentures.
One
This
over
is
there.
Oh, so that
Oh,
one.
I see.
Yeah,
It's a white one.
yeah, white one. These are grey wolves.
How many people? How many of them?
We have about 6 inside. We
Okay,
have
call them,
6.
call them, call them.
Maybe they're in the backyard. You will see them.
So Tinema wolves.
These are African wolves. Very dangerous. That guy does not stare. Oh my gosh, there's more. And the animals love this.
Yeah. So inside there we got African lion, which is common here in Zimbabwe, in Africa. The one who just sleeps over there on the top of the rock. Over there.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, that's the female one called Stanley. I'm not seeing the male one called Steve. These are the oldest we have yet, lion park.
So
So they are
Panina
about
lions,
18 years
guys.
old now.
Wow. One is sleeping way back.
What is it?
Lion.
Lion.
African ones, yeah, most common here in Zimbabwe.
Oh, most common.
Yeah, they are different.
Why you
Those
guys
white
should be
ones.
separate from this one to this one? We are guests. Hello.
Hello.
Look at that one.
How curious. Curious. Curious, look at mommy. Will it hang inside?
She is cute, man.
Yeah, that one is cute.
How are you?
Ooh, look at the oh my god.
Yes, so close to it.
Yeah.
And that's your husband, right?
Yeah, that's the husband.
Nice to meet you. You're good.
You don't have kids?
Yeah, not yet. We have just have to say less than 5 years.
You guys been killing 5 years.
So we just have given them injection or medicine for them about 5 years, not breeding.
Oh, not free and have a kid. Okay.
Leopard tortoise, guys. This one. They're called leopard tortoise.
Thank you, Mr. Billiard.
Yeah. Some
Billiard Morgan.
Yeah, Billiard Morgan.
I hope you have something to show your people today.
Yeah, that's true.
And I hope you will become famous.
Yeah.
So I will tag my Instagram, YouTube with you, and you will share your videos with me.
Yeah, that's
Nice to meet you again.
okay. So this guy is from Somalia.
From Somalia,
His name is
Gulet,
Kulet.
and I currently live in US.
Alright.
I'm visiting Zimbabwe, and I already decided to move here and make home.
So how is Zimbabwe so far?
The most beautiful place I've ever seen in my life.
Yeah, that's true.
All right.
So let's hope you visit, you come a lot.
I will look forward seeing you more.